Hey, what's up y'all? As y'all can see, I'm in a different setting, and that is because I moved. For a little bit of context, I started nursing school this semester and I moved out closer to campus. That's why I haven't uploaded in a while. But I lived here around a month. I'm liking it so far, and during my time here I was able to decorate my space and get it to how I want it, so I thought it would be fun to show you guys. So I'm going to be doing a room tour. When you first walk in, you see 4 wooden shelves. Now these came with the room and I really liked them because I didn't really have to do much. All I had to do was put some stuff on it and it just looked, you know, really nice and put together. I put some picture frames on there, some flowers, some knickknacks, some of the things you may recognize from the background of some of my other videos. I'm not going to go into detail about every single piece I have on the shelf, but I'm just going to be talking about a couple of pieces. The gold frames that you're looking at I got from Goodwill, and then the white ones I got from Michael's. The tower jewelry organizer I got from Target. I really like it because it houses all of my hooped earrings. The A-shaped jewelry organizer is also from Goodwill. Then the heart-shaped jewelry organizer I actually painted. The letter A that you're seeing is actually from my high school graduation. I got it and had my guests write one word that describes me, so that's what that writing is that you see on there. I knew I wanted white to be my base color, and I was going for like a bohemian type of look, but the room ended up coming together a lot more beachy, but I'm fine with it because it's still cute. I also knew that I wanted to incorporate pops of color. I just didn't know what I wanted those colors to be until I got my ottoman. Now this ottoman I got from Target, and as you can see it has the colors blue, orange, and pink on it. So those ended up being my accent colors. Now moving right along, this door you see is the door to my closet. I just have a hanging mirror on it so I can look at myself when I get dressed. Sometimes I also sit on my bed and do my hair. This is something that I already own, but I believe I got it from Walmart. Now in this corner I have a hanging plant. Her name is Polly. I think she's really cute. I think hanging plants are so cute, so I knew that I really wanted one in this space. I got it from Publix, and basically I just wrapped a plastic bag around the bottom to catch the water when I water it, and then I taped some tissue paper on it to, like, you know, jazz it up. Moving on to this next wall, I had this floating desk installed. This desk is from IKEA. I just wanted a little area to be able to sit down and do my makeup, so I'm really happy with the way this came together. The bench that you see up under the desk is also from IKEA. Now what's hanging over the desk is this macrame wall hanging. I think it's so pretty. Like, I'm really into just the look and feel of it since I was going for that bohemian look. I got that from Home Goods, and then as you can see the ends are blue, and I felt like that pulled out that blue from the ottoman. Now this bedside table and lamp are from my old room, and on the bottom of it are all my nursing textbooks. The reason why I haven't uploaded in a while. Okay, so now in terms of this rug, again, white is my base color, so I went ahead and just got a white rug. I got this from Target, and actually these are 2 rugs put together because I couldn't find one big rug that was like the right size. So moving on to my bed, I got this white ruffled bed set from Walmart. I love white bedding. I feel like it looks so expensive. Now in terms of the pillows, I really love the way that shams look on beds, but with a twin size bed, they don't really have bed sets with shams. So what I did was I got these 2 square pillows and put them like right at the back just for that sham type of look. I got them from Home Goods. I actually think they might be outdoor pillows, but I don't even know. They're cute and they gave me the look I wanted, so I'm happy. And then in terms of the decorative pillows, I got both of them from Target, and I really like this woven one. That's what inspired me to actually get the macrame wall hanging, because I thought that it would, like, you know, match. I also have this fuzzy throw blanket. This is also something I already own, and y'all, I stan throw blankets. I just feel like they automatically class up any room. And as you can see throughout the room, I incorporated a lot of different textures. Like I have the macrame, I have the textured lamp, I have the ruffly bedspread with the fuzzy blanket. It's all intentional because when I think of that boho feel, I really think of mixing patterns, mixing prints, having like pops of colors. Now on the wall behind my bed, I have this tapestry. This was actually the last piece that I got from my room. This wall was bare, and I really just wanted something to tie it all together, and I think it looks really cute. I got it from Society 6, and it's just like a portal into a different world, you know? It's like so relaxing. There are also some little orange rocks at the bottoms that are like the exact same color as that rusty orange that's in the ottoman, that's also in my fake sham pillow. So it's just, everything complements each other so nicely in here, and I really like the way it turned out. On this wall I just have the door to my bathroom, And then on the wall across from my bed, I have my TV. My brother put lights on the back that you can actually change the color of with the remote. So I think that's really cool. It looks really nice at nighttime. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.